All right, so this is what the place looked like before. Some people asked me to do a before and after, so here we go. You walk in, you see the kitchen. This is what the kitchen used to look like. If you see here, this is the water, the hot water used to be, but we moved it to this wall next to it. So you can see the kitchen looks a lot different. All right, so we're gonna walk in here, and here's the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. So with the hot water heater, originally it was here, so we moved it to this wall, just so we could kind of have like a little clean kitchen. Of course, the glass towels we did differently. We had Marifala build the kitchen cabinets, got the washing machine and the refrigerator. Yep. And they kind of got the soft close drawers, you know, so that's pretty cool. So that's the kitchen. Right now, going from the kitchen, this is the living room. As you can see, there was we put the TV wall there. In the new place, there's no wall here. Very basic, you know, and you can see the floors are different. We changed everything, and also with the kitchen, I forgot to mention, we put the table that wasn't here. Now we're going into the living room. Yeah, same thing. You could see the couch. Yeah. Let me show you the TV wall. So this was added. There was nothing there. It was naked. We put some clothes on it, you know. And of course the floors, and of course the ceilings throughout. We also added the air conditioner. And as part of the kitchen, we also added this breakfast bar, kind of as a table, since the place is so small. So yeah, you can see a lot of changes were made. It looks totally different than what it used to look like. Now we go into the bedroom and see what we did there. Same thing, changed the floors. We put the closet in here, and like the other rooms, we changed the ceiling. We added more electrical outlets. You see there are no outlets on this wall. There's one on this wall, and then there's one up there for the air conditioning. So this is the bedroom. Now this is the bedroom. Boom. So as you can see, changed everything in here again. Changed the ceilings, the lights, put the air conditioner there, of course. Little end tables and storage locker. And we added this closet there, because this was kind of like basically an empty space. So of course we just put a closet there so you can store a few things. Excuse the mess, but that's stuff they gotta get washed. So now this is the bathroom. We're here. You can see the toilet is against this wall, which is against the bedroom. So what we did was we changed it so when you walk in, the toilet is facing you. And same with the shower, we moved it to this wall. And you can see we changed the tiles. We added some outlets up there so you could plug in some things. Of course, we changed the sink, the floors, the ceiling. It's all different. And this is the back. It's a little darker here because there's no electric. But that's the change. So that's everything. So basically we changed everything: the floors, the ceilings, the lights, added more outlets, added some wall decoration, added storage, and that's it. All right, so this is the bathroom. So we changed everything except the toilet there, as you can see. Changed the ceilings, changed the lights, put this shower glass in there, changed the shower head, added this mirror, put that new sink in there. Then you have the hand towel rack, and then you also have the full-size towel rack. All the tiles were changed. So we got a whole new look for the bathroom.